Hi, good afternoon. David Stoffo here with MarineMax in Beaufort, Georgia. You can reach us at 770-614-6968 with any questions you have on our 2019 Boston Whaler 270 Vantage. What a wonderful boat. This one's powered by a pair of 300 horsepower Mercury outboard engines. Those are the Verados, 4 strokes. Got a nice large area back here. This boat does have the fishing package included with it. The hull sides are of the light blue color. Boston Whaler does a great job of bringing the light blue underneath the hardtop there. This one has the extended shade back here to give a little bit more shade for your family and friends. Enclosed head is great. Lots of room. Nice big roomy open bow. You got the vessel view for the Mercury and the Fusion stereo with the 4 speakers. This also super nice option on this one is the joystick, which will make docking and controlling in tight quarters nice and easy for you. So this is our 2019 dual style console Boston Whaler 270 Vantage. Beautiful boat. We'd love to see you and take you out in the water in the boat and make sure it's what you want. You can find us at MarineMax in Beaufort, Georgia at 770-614-6968. I'm David Stoffo. Thanks for looking at the boat with me.